So, if you think that mental health is about mental illness or mental disorder, nagkakamali kayo.
Disqualified ka nga. Disqualified ka.
So, yung mental health is, so, isipin natin, yung buhay na, ang mental na isang tao na sa tayo, stairs of life. So, isipin natin, yung first steps natin, yung sa stairs, ayun yung tawag natin, nandito nakalagay yung tawag natin, mental disorder or mental illness, while the highest step.